Hey, it's me again. Okay, I want to show you this quick trick for sticking this back into this little bag here. So you open your baggie and you actually, so hold it open with your finger and you use a nail file here and you just kind of guide it down in there and the nail file will get it in there for you. Just shake it down. Shake it, don't break it. Look at that. And then I'm just going to pinch it down there so it stays down when I pull the nail file out. You just like jiggle your stuff back in there. See? It's just like fitting into skinny jeans. And then I'm going to stick all my leftover strips that I still have. I have 1, 2, 3 full strips left, which this in and of itself I think would do my full pedicure. Actually, I know it will. But I kept these little pieces as well, just to make sure, because this is 3 toenails. So I'm going to stick all these back in here, and I'm going to use the little, looks like a little straightening iron food sealer I got on Amazon, 2 for $10. So get that and share with your best friend or your worst enemy, because God says you will be blessed if you bless your enemies. And done. I have my pedicure for later and another mani-pedi if I want it down the road, or a million accents. Okay, that's it. Bye.